What's going on, everybody? Ratchet Wrench is back for another video, and today we have some GTI content. I know for those GTI lovers that you've been subscribed and following us for, we've been kind of neglecting it, but about a month ago we installed the CTS Turbo catch can. A really easy install, so if you're in the market for a catch can, I highly recommend CTS. It's a little pricey, but I got it on sale, and I'm not affiliated with them at all, so I don't think I'm trying to promote it or whatnot. Just look at the finish. It has great texture, great finish, very smooth. It doesn't look out of place. It fits with the whole color scheme. Today we're going to do a review on it and see how it is. It's been about a month or so since I've had it. I haven't emptied it yet. I'm going to see all the contaminants that it caught and see if it's really worth it and if I got my money's worth. But without further ado, let's get into it. So what we're first going to do is make sure I'm not taking it off for no reason, even though it's very easy. But I'm going to check this little dipstick, I would say, and see if it's got any contaminants on it. Oh yeah. Look at all that white stuff. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting. It's hard to see, but it's definitely some contaminants on there, fuel and oil and stuff like that. So put that back in. Oh man, that's nasty. But I'm not going to show you how to install it or anything like that. I'm just going to take off the Allen keys. So we'll come over here. Let's see. I know it's a 5 Allen key. I think it's millimeters. Let me get this done because I don't want to use handheld because I'm too lazy. So we'll take this bad boy off. This thing's dying on me. Come on. Let me get my catch tray. Alright, so that's loose. You want to be careful not to tilt it too much because it will just dump right back into the engine. So pretty much all those contaminants that are cleared out of the system, we're just going to go right back in, so defeat the purpose. We got those two little Allen key bolts out. Now I loosened these up. It's actually a 1 inch. Like I said, be careful, you don't want to tip it too much so where you're just dumping it all back in. You want to be careful to remember which line is which because one's a feed and one's a return. Oh, look at that stuff. Oh yeah. You can hear some liquid in there. I'm curious to see what's going to be in this junk. Alright, we're going to bring it on over here and we'll get to the next step. We're going to actually bring this downstairs where it's a little bit warmer because outside is what, about 38 degrees, so yeah, we're gonna go downstairs. See you there. Alright guys, we made it downstairs. It's a little bit warmer, so now we're gonna take these bolts out, or these little screws. Please don't leak on me. Please don't leak on me. Yep, it's leaking on me. Why would they put it upside down? Look at that stuff. Ugh. Oh my god, it's pouring, whatever that shit is. Kinda just looks like milk.
But that would be usually dumping out of the exhaust tip out back in the whole entire car.
God.
Let's take a look. Oh, dude.
Oh my god. Well, to those people that say catch cans are not worth it, I hope that is proof because I don't know what that shit is, and that's just going straight into your engine. And
yeah, we're not going to use that paper plate because look at that.
That's just a mixture of everything.
That's nasty.
If you have a turbo car, get this. If it's direct injection, get this. Because all that shit is just going to be gunked up on your valves, going to go back in your engine, could cause so much harm. I got this shit all over my hand right now. Oh no! I don't know what to do. Oh my god, dude, that is so much. I need paper towel. Alright, so we're going to move this into here because this obviously was not a smart idea.
That didn't work too well.
Oh, I'm going to pour it out. Dude!
Oh my god.
I don't know what that looks like, honestly. But, yeah, this was after like a month and a half, and that's how much built up. That was 3/4 of the way full, so definitely got to keep my eye on this. I got to do this multiple times, like a year, which is not a big deal because it's very easy to get off. But definitely, after looking at all this, invest in a catch can, especially if you have a turbo car and it's direct injection. I can't stress that enough because all that shit. Look at that shouldn't be going in your freaking oil or your engine at all. So right now, we're going to clean this up. We're going to try and figure out what that shit is. And then we'll get back to it. Alright, so I cleaned it up here. As you can see, this has This is a really good quality catch can. While it's out, I want to show you the filtration system. It's got all these little holes to filter out everything and whatnot, so like debris and stuff like that. But the main purpose of this video is to really show you that catch cans are really worth it for turbo cars and whatnot, because you know that's nasty, and you want to preserve your engine as long as you can. I mean, this has over 100,000 miles, and trying to make it last for as long as possible. If you're in the market for catch cans and you have a Volkswagen, definitely recommend CTS Turbo. There's a bunch of other brands, but like I said, this is great quality for the price, like the price it was. And I know a bunch of people that have this and run it, and they suggested it to me, and I'm very satisfied with it. So that's a wrap for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. It was super short and sweet. This was pretty much just to prove that catch cans are worth it to any naysayers or people that say it's not. But if you're also in the market, definitely, hopefully this was informative for you. Like I said earlier, this was about a month and a couple weeks of just catching all that grime and everything. This is my daily, but I haven't been driving it as much lately as usual, so even just sitting in the parking lot, it's been just catching that stuff. So every time I turn it on, the condensation, fuel, oil, all that grudge and smudge and all those things. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.